If you need to change a local light that is controlled by a local light control monitoring system, the navigation light controller, there's a few easy steps that I would like to introduce you to. First, you find the light, of course. You take off the little retaining screw here. So you twist it here, take the light off, and then you unscrew the safety bolts here. Don't forget the retaining screws. Light comes in again. Make sure it is aligned. You have the arrow here that should be aligned with the center line of the ship and pointing at 0 degrees. Now you have to move to the navigation light controller, where you turn on the light in question, and after a few seconds there will very often be an alarm condition. Not always, but very often. Then I press the little key and it will perform what we call the teach-in operation. That is very important, so you will avoid any false alarms. What I did was actually, I can turn it on off again, was that you can also take the aluminium cover off. It can be a good idea, especially the first time you do it. That little button here I find with the small screwdriver, and that's the one I activate by pressing it very lightly. It can be a good idea to take off the cover when you do this. When you reinstall the cover, it is very important that all the buttons here protrude correctly through the holes that they're supposed to. Turn on the light. Please check that it also turns on correctly when you use whatever control head that is installed in your system.